All right, today is August the 20th. It's about 5 p.m. and we got some thunderstorms rolling through right now. But anyway, I wanted to shoot a progress video. I was supposed to do one yesterday, but the cabinets didn't arrive. There was a problem with the shipping. So anyway, they arrived and we started working on them this afternoon. So I'm gonna do a video you guys so you can see everything that's going on. So let's walk inside. This is 2105 Springdale, and this is Forest. And I think you guys are gonna like what you see. So we've got the place pretty much cleaned out. Now all the painting's been done. We've all seen that before. However, all the lights work now. All the electric is all trimmed out. So these are all the kitchen cabinets that just got delivered and starting to set them now. Like I said, it's about 5 o'clock. Everything looks pretty good. So let's see, these doors got painted. We got the painter back. I'll take you downstairs and show you that in a minute. That's what he's been working on. All the lighting's been trimmed out. Vanity's getting ready to get set. That's a cabinet guy. Toilet still is not set. And you know, I can't find a good plumber. I don't understand. If anybody watching this video knows a good plumber that wants to actually work and show up, you let me know. And so we got the sink right there and the faucet ready to go on there. We got the toilet. I found a plumber. Y'all don't panic. I found a plumber. Just he is starting, I think, Thursday or Friday on this house. So let's see, let's go upstairs and I'll show y'all what's going on upstairs. Hardwood floor guy came in today, so he basically started today and he started with patching everything. So you can see how he did some repairs. All the radiator holes had to get filled in. So in some places he was able to use putty for filling, and in some places he actually had to put in new hardwood floors. You can see right there, he actually had to cut in some new floor. So let's see, this light works. Okay, that's pretty cool. I use these little puck lights. I like them. They look like recessed lights, but they go in a 4-inch box. And by the time it's all said and done, it's not that much more expensive to use them. So we got these super nice doors. They're all painted now. And so we got this one all touched up and too thin. So they start sanding tomorrow. And I don't know, I don't think I had this door set the last time. This is going into the bathroom, and then this door got set. When we set the tile, we had to do what we had to do. So we got this waiting for the plumber to show up. And then we got the vanity right there set. We would have the top, but they messed up the order. And I don't know if anybody knows, you know, some people that you can actually order stuff from that can actually deliver what you ordered in a timely fashion. You can let me know as well in the comments. But you know, we use the puck lights for everything here. And we use some pretty decent quality cabinets.